Good morning, fourth graders. Last video we heard from Miss Ellie and Miss Celeste about what talking to others and studying the pictures was. Remember we learned how to collaborate with our peers and use the pictures to help us form questions about the text. Well, today I have Jacob and Hannah here to talk about how to preview collection of books on a topic that we find interesting, and also how to recognize and organize narrative nonfiction text. So, without further ado, here's Jacob and Hannah.
To see if a book's topic is interesting, you can read the back, read a few pages of the book to see if you like it. You can look at the pictures or ask a friend what the book is about.
Narrative nonfiction tells a true story of something that has happened. Narrative texts are similar to fiction, but they have characters, a setting, a problem, and a goal, and a resolution or an ending.
As Jacob stated, I looked for a book that I found really interesting, and I found this book, Tsunamis, a book about giant waves that can destroy towns and even some cities. And as Hannah said, narrative nonfiction text is just retelling a story that's already happened. On page 22 of my book, Tsunamis, I found an excerpt that retells the story of someone named Lucky Number 8. In Sri Lanka, a 2-month-old baby was separated from his parents. He was thrown by the waves into a heap of debris. Because no one knew his name, hospital workers nicknamed him Baby 81. He was the 81st patient they had seen that day. After 2 months and genetic tests, the baby was reunited with his parents. His real name was Abhilasha Jayarasha. Now that I've read my passage, I can begin to identify the characters, settings, problems, and endings in my text as Hannah said. I know the characters in my story are the 2-month-old baby named Abhilasha Jayarasha, nicknamed Baby 81. My setting takes place in Sri Lanka, and in the hospital in which the baby stays. My problem is that Baby 81 is swept away from his parents by the tsunami, but my resolution is that he is found, cared for at the hospital, and returned safely to his parents. Well, fourth graders, that's all that I have for you today. Enjoy your chosen informational texts. Good luck, and happy teaching!